but me.
Like I ain't on 1, 2, 3 pop. Like I ain't finna bust for my homeboy and make the fucking beat drop. Oh yeah, this is gonna sit about right there.
All right, guys, we had a few hiccups, a couple interruptions. We had a couple customers pop in, you know, just kind of got to take care of stuff as it comes in. That's just part of it. So real quick, I just want to show you a quick progress. We've got the bottom and the sides of the shell. The shell is still going to go up at an angle here and then go straight across. We are making progress slowly but surely. It's going to be a couple day process, especially with, you know, people showing up. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.